Teemo attacking looks like it needs a brute force simulation of every poison second, but there's a simple interval merging trick that solves it in linear time. In this problem, Teemo attacks at specific times given in a sorted array time series. Each attack poisons the enemy for a fixed duration. If attacks overlap, the poison timer resets, extending the end time but not stacking. We need the total time the enemy is poisoned. For example, attacks at times 1 and 4 with duration 2. The first attack poisons from 1 to 3, the second from 4 to 6, no overlap, total 4 seconds. But if attacks were at 1 and 2 with duration 2, the poison would run from 1 to 4, total 3 seconds. The array is sorted, and we must compute the union of these intervals efficiently. The brute force approach would simulate each second. For every attack, mark every second from attack time to attack time plus duration in a set, then return the set size. This works but uses O and asterisk duration time and space, which is terrible when duration is large, like up to 10 to the power 7. It's essentially iterating over every poison second, which is unnecessary because we only care about interval boundaries. The key insight is that we only need to track the end of the previous poison interval and add either the full duration or the non-overlapping gap. We start by handling the empty array edge case. Then we initialize total poison time with the first attack's full duration, and set previn to the end of that first poison interval. For each subsequent attack, if the attack time is at or after previn, there's no overlap, so we add the full duration. Otherwise, the attack overlaps, and we only add the extra time from previn to the new end. Then we update previn to the new attack's end. This runs in big O of n time and big O of 1, constant time space. You'll recognize this pattern whenever you have sorted start times and a fixed length interval, and you need the union length, like meeting rooms, CPU scheduling, or any interval merging problem. Time complexity is big O of n, because we iterate through the array once. Space complexity is big O of 1, constant time since we only use a few variables. Try the next interval merging problem, same pattern. Subscribe for more LeetCode breakdowns.